Welcome to Prepmyfuture, the most efficient online platform to prepare for your exam. You are registered and logged in? Then let's dive right in. The platform has 4 main sections which you can access from the menu at the top. Study plan to follow tailor-made programs. There, you can see the program you were assigned by your school, the assignments you have to complete, and your upcoming deadlines. If you are using the platform autonomously, you can choose the study plan that best fits your goals. Lessons and activities to practice specific topics. It's all there. Grammar and vocabulary sheets, methodology tips, and exercises to make sure you've got it all down. Tests, where you will find all the mock exams and the dates of your midterms on the platform, if you have any. Whether these are organized under real exam conditions or left open by your school, the tests on our platform are identical to what you will see on the day of the exam. Understand the exam's specificities and you will be all set for the big day. Analytics, to know everything about your proficiency level, the concepts you have mastered, and the ones you still have difficulties with. Pretty easy, right? Ready, set, go! And if you have any questions left, we're here to answer them Monday through Friday at support@prepmyfuture.com. Good luck with your exam!